it's Caesar here, and today I'm doing an adventure, and I did not record any of these. Don't even think about it. Don't think about it. Don't. Good. I hate having to go through like. Nah! Santa. Hello. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Level 2. Yes. I got everything. Thank you. Thank you for all the 500 pieces of candy. Okay. Oh, she's scared you head wet. Ooh, can I trade you? Do you have anything good? Never mind. He doesn't have anything good. That I don't. And you're officially in my video. Say hi to the world. Who's this? I'm not gonna shout out I'm recording, really. People are just gonna be like, whoa, waterfall. Let's see if you're. That's not even fair. Not even fair. A waterfall. You'll have to trade like 4 collars for one. Why? Okay. Oh, sparkle. Bench. Sparkle bench. Sparkle. Sparkle. Can you see me? Say hi to YouTube. Why you know? Say hi. Sad. So sad. Anyway. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I like how it's like. I like how I arranged them in order. It's like rainbow of some sort. Actually, it really matches. Okay. And now I'm not gonna be able to record. I'm not gonna ever record with my iPad ever or my phone, unless it's like a vlog or something. Which I barely can do vlogs. So let's visit some epic dens. Have a blonde bridge. Never mind. Stop! Don't hate. Let's visit this person's den. Whoa. Is that person online? No. Oh, he looks really nice. I'm so laggy. So laggy today. Oh, look at the bats! Synchronized bats! How many gems do I have? Okay. Whoa! This is not actually epic. Not at all. Carrots! And bamboo! There's a turtle. Ah! Turtle! There's a turtle. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Wrong thing. Let's visit King Shark if his den's not locked. Oh god. Okay. I like doing this. Wait. This shall make everyone go cuckoo. This girl is on fire! Oh! Oh, this is actually pretty good. Better than mine, actually. Better. Way better. Better. Okay, what next? Parties. Pets only party. Okay. Denise got her membership back 2 days ago, 9 days ago, 2 days ago. Okay. Don't blame me. Okay. Let's check around everywhere. And I did a review on Oh, okay. I'm actually just looking for something. And by the way, if you don't even know where the pumpkin's heads are, they're in the Cocoa Hut. The feathered masks have come back. I used to have one of these. Wait. Never mind. Get out. Oh, we can make a. Should I make a new animal and buy everything for this? I don't have the skeleton suit anymore. I might do one of those next time. Okay, let's try this. Let me go, and I'm gonna do my outro here. Let me. Final. Okay, thank you. Whoa. Oh, okay. But still, give me the opportunity. Spazzy. This mouse likes to spaz all day long. Zombies versus TV show. Zombie TV show. Let's look at. Oh, that's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll say yes. I don't want to do trust. Anyway, let's do our outro. And when I did my fox outfit thing, someone said, "Why are you dancing?" Wait. Bye, guys. Peace. I must leave you here. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 everyone. Bye.